Okay, be honest. Have you ever seen a teacher's desk that wasn't a total disaster? How do they even find anything in that? We need to fix this right now. I'm making the ultimate desk organizer for my teacher, and her reaction, oh, you have to see it. Let's do this! Hi, I'm Isabella, and like most kids, I go to school. But want to know a little secret? I actually like school. I know, I can hear your jaw hitting the floor. But I like school because I have an amazing teacher. Unfortunately, teachers rarely get the recognition they deserve, which is why I wanted to help celebrate Teacher Appreciation Day. To be a global game changer, I'm taking my talent for making crafts and combining it with my heart for the education badge to make a brand new desk organizer for my teacher, Mrs. Hart. This is how I ignite good. Folks, I have a lot going on. I draw, I act, I play guitar, I ride horses. It takes a great teacher to keep my education on track. That's why Mrs. Hart is the best. She has a way of making learning fun, not an easy task. But her desk? It's a disaster, some people. That's not her fault. Teachers have to keep track of pencils, pens, tests, books, apples. The list is endless. So it's my goal to make her job a little bit easier. But before I start making my organizer, I need to get organized. When it comes to arts and crafts, you might say I can get pretty crafty. I'll need scissors, a pencil, paintbrushes, tape, glue, a ruler, and some Dothan stickers. You never know when you'll need Dothan stickers. Trust me. I've decided I'm going to make my organizer using a piece of wood for the base. For the compartments, I'll use empty paper rolls and some cereal boxes. Hey, I'll take any CC cereal. First, I use a safe pair of scissors to cut the cereal box down into different sections. Then, I tape them on the outside, making the decorating super easy. Sometimes, it's okay to use art supplies. Next, I take the paper tubes and trim them all to be different sizes. This will make my organizer more interesting to look at. Like a beautiful city skyline. I may be getting too artsy-fartsy with this. Speaking of which, now comes my favorite part, the decorating! First, I'll paint the wood base using different shades of what I've noticed Mrs. Hart's favorite color is, green. Take it from me, she wears a lot of green. Now to let it dry, but we can do that with the magic of a time jump. All dry. Isn't video editing the best? To decorate the organizer's different compartments, I'll cut out pieces of festive wrapping paper. I add glue to the back of the paper and stick it to the different compartments. I make sure to hold the paper down until it sticks, trying extra hard to keep it smooth. I'll give each holder a little ribbon and, of course, a couple of dolphin stickers. I knew they'd serve a porpoise. Aren't those the perfect finishing touches? Now to show Mrs. Hart some teacher appreciation. I went into school early on Teacher Appreciation Day to give Mrs. Hart her desk organizer. I think it's safe to say she felt appreciated. She was also overjoyed to finally be able to see the surface of her desk. Long time no see, old friend. Now that's what I call igniting good. Now it's your turn. How can you use your superpower to help the cause you care about? Thanks for watching Global Game Changers. Remember that your talent can be crafted into a project that ignites good. What's your superpower?